Hello, Fred. Welcome to the Eagles family. It's Mother Eagle here. Yes, I see you have a challenge with savings. As I always share, savings is a habit you develop, and it starts with planning. So my suggestion would be if you've downloaded the ebook, Live Like a King. If you haven't, let me know. I'll send you the link. When you get to the budgeting section, actually follow the budget. If you don't have a budget template, let me know. You budget everything out. You put in all your numbers, including a column for saving. Preferably have a separate account for your savings because it works out of sight, means out of mind, so you don't have to tamper with it. So have a column for saving, and you can start gradually, slowly, depending on whatever you can pull out of your budget, and every month maybe increase so that you just get in the habit of saving, and you save before you spend. Supposing if you get your salary maybe on the 30th, you take off the portion for saving before you start breaking everything down, because bills will always be there, and expenses and responsibilities. But saving has to come as a priority, like one of the first things you do. But it's a habit. I remember when I was developing my own habit, I used to set my alarm to remind me every Saturday to look at my budget, because it will take you at least 3 months to perfect your budget, because some areas you'll under budget, other areas you'll over budget. Anyway, in the coaching academy on Facebook, go under Money Matters, and there is a course there called Financial Truth. I break down all those things, so you can study from there if you would like. But to start off, get a budget template, put in the numbers, decide on a portion to save, open a savings account where you can put that portion, and start developing the habit. Yes, you may fail a few times. That's okay. Failing doesn't erase the effort you put in the past. So that's perfectly fine. You just get back up and you start again. It's a cycle. And usually within a few months, give and take 6 months, you're in the habit of saving. Then, of course, as your savings accumulates, then you'll have to think of an investment vehicle. At that point, you'll need to talk to an investment person in your area to help you choose the best vehicle to put your money in, depending on your personal goals. All right, this is Mother Eagle. Welcome to the group.